Okay, so my garden is over here thriving. It's doing very well. I was looking at some pictures from last year, and it was a little bit fuller and more lush last year. But we've had some weather changes, and so like there were some really bad storms here. We had hailstorms, we had really bad thunderstorms that really destroyed a lot of property and led to some damage. So the garden is not looking as lush and beautiful as it would normally look. But a win is a win, child. A win is a win. So we got these oranges over here. It's time for me to pick them because they're getting quite a lot. Quite a lot. Let me see what we got here. I don't think that one's red. Let me see. Oh, okay, it's bugs all in here. Ah. Let me pick these off. Let's see, let me get that one over there. Yes. This is my little orange tree. My mandarin tree, I guess, if you want to be technical about it. I don't know if these are mandarins or clementines. I really don't. I think they're mandarins. But see, this is what it looks like. See. Yeah, so I'm having a slow Sunday morning in Paris. This is what my Sunday looks like. I'm meeting a friend later on today, an American friend. We're hanging out. I love seeing Americans here. I really do. Let me show y'all what else we got going. Oh, last time I showed you my flowers, my roses. This is my favorite color. It's so beautiful. I don't know what happened to that one, but baby, this one right here is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Then you've got this. Okay, the geraniums are looking good. Got all the plants. So I will be watering these like next week. It's my week to water. So this is a community garden, and we all kind of take care of it when needed. There's one person that does take care of it the most. One person who lives here, her and her children really maintain this. I say it's my garden, but this is a community garden. Okay, oh, look at these onions, y'all. Oh, I need to get some of these right here. Are these ready? I think they are. I think they're ready. I don't know if I should take that or not. Like, maybe just the little one. Okay. I'm gonna take the little one. Look at this one. Look at this. Okay. So, yeah. This is the garden, y'all. This is the garden. And it's really so Parisian. Like, the one thing that always gets me is that places here are not. Like in the U.S., we love a good manicured garden. Like, you see the paint chipping on here. Like, baby, we would never go for that. But it's something so chic about. It's something so Parisian about this that I love, right? You got this garden in the middle of the city. Oh, look at these berries. You got the berries growing. Look at that, y'all. I'm not sure. Are those raspberries? Those are raspberries. Let me get one of those. Oh, they're hard. I don't know if that one is ready. Oh, it's a lot of little bugs on there. Let me not get that. You see all those little ants over there? No, I'm like, no, baby. Oh, no. I can't. Abort the raspberry mission. I can't do it. So yeah, This is a garden, just checking into it. Let's see what we got here. We got, okay, everything is looking good. Everything is looking good. But yep, the ivy growing. This is the garden. I got my onion. And that's gonna be it. Those raspberries had too many ants on them. I can't deal with it. No, ma'am. But this is my garden in Paris. This is what Sunday morning is what's relaxing me, getting ready to start my day, getting ready to meet a friend for lunch. I will talk to y'all later.